Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and on today's video we're gonna look on how to enable Google Gemini AI with any Android phone. So before doing this, just remember your Android phone needs to be of minimum 4 GB of RAM and Android 12 or more installed on your phone. Any updates below Android 12 will not be able to enable Google Gemini. So the first thing would be go to the link provided on the description box, click on the link, and you'll reach on this page. Scroll down and you have to click on the look for the all versions, and you'll have to click on the download and make sure you download the latest version. Right now for me the latest version of Google Gemini is Google Gemini 1.0, which was updated on February 21st, 2024. Look at the dates and click on download. Scroll down here till you can see the download Google Gemini tab. Click on download there. Once you click on download, you'll be redirected to this page. Scroll down and you can see download APK in blue. Click on that. Click on download anyway. Your file will get downloaded. So the next step is to go to your My Files. In My Files, go to Downloads. And you can see the downloaded file. Click on that. Click on Install. And let the app install. Once the app is installed, click on Open. And you'll get this page. You have to click on your profile page. Right on the corner, on the top right corner. Click on Settings. And in Settings, click on Google Assistant features in Gemini. You have to enable the Use Google Assistant features, and then you have to click on Hey Google and Voice Match just below that. Click on it. Click on Enable on Hey Google and just click on More. I agree. More. I agree. Click on Next, and then you can use Google Gemini with your voice. Now go back, click on Digital Assistants and choose Digital Assistant from Google as Gemini. Once you're done that, come back, and now you're free to use Google Gemini as your assistant. You can see how I told Gemini with my voice to generate an image of a beautiful scenery, and it will create images for me. So that's it for today, guys. I hope the video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.